It has been exactly 2 months and 2 days since ISIS launched a violent assault against the 35 Assyrian villages along the Khabour River in Syria. Prior to the attack, the estimated population of Assyrians in the Khabour region was approximately 15,000. ISIS entered the villages in the early hours of the morning without warning and swept through them, destroying homes and ancient churches. Paramilitary forces, some as young as 14 years old, fought bravely to defend their neighbors and towns, but they were severely outnumbered and lacked ammunition. Many of them were killed along with civilians. The number of casualties sustained in these attacks remains unclear. 10 Assyrian towns have now been captured by ISIS, and the fighting continues to this day. All 35 towns were evacuated during these attacks, and those that managed to escape are now living as refugees in neighboring cities without adequate means to survive. Tragically, during these attacks, an estimated 300 Assyrian civilians were taken captive by ISIS militants. The hostages include men, women, children, and the elderly. My cousin and her children were taken as well. In early March, 23 of the hostages were released for unknown reasons. Since then, there has been no word on the hostages. Their exact whereabouts and living conditions are unknown. And every day since their abduction, we pray and we hope for their safety and their freedom. Thank you.